guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little DIY with a wood block perpetual calendar. I thought this would be so much fun to do, being it's back to school time, and this is great for your desk, for your child's desk, for gifts later on down the road. So this is your sneak peek of what it's gonna look like. So before we get started, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So let's get into this. For this project, you will need 2 packages of the tumbling tower blocks. I picked up 3 packages of these stickers, these gold stickers, and these were from Walmart, and these were 97 cents each. I also picked up a package of these Sharpie oil-based paint pens. These were also from Walmart. I think it was about $6 for these 5 different markers. All you guys gotta do to make this stand, you just need 2 of these types of flooring samples that they have at Home Depot. They're for free, and you're gonna just glue them together to make a stand for your calendar. So for this project, I've separated my tumbling tower blocks into the light wood and the dark wood. And now I'm gonna glue them together with the E6000, and I'm gonna clamp them all together with my clamps. So I'm just gonna apply a generous amount of E6000 onto each Jenga block, layer it up, 6 blocks in the row. And this is quite slippery. Don't worry if the glue oozes out. We could always rubber sand that off at the ends. Just press them all so they're into place while they're clamped overnight. Now we're going to put these 3 squares together using the E6000. And then after we align our blocks, or squares at this point, we will clamp this on and leave it again overnight. Maybe they're really rectangular on top of the other. Your E6000. Now, if you guys don't want to be bothered with all this, of course you can purchase blocks and do this. Of course you can. I wanted to make this a Dollar Tree DIY, and I already had these. I already had the tumbling towers on hand, and I figured why not use them. After you apply your glue, you're gonna wanna put the clamp on facing where it was the more flat side, one end to the next, and then you're gonna have to readjust them just a little bit, just to get them back in the right format. Wipe away some extra glue if need be as you press them into place. Actually, I ended up clamping it from one side to the other side, and then I added an extra clamp just at the top to meet this, just to keep it extra tight. Once you press it into place and it's in your clamp, you're gonna just set it aside and let them dry overnight. Alright guys, my blocks are now all dry, they're formed, and the only thing I have to mention is that by using the tumbling towers to form your blocks and the pieces for this project, they're not all perfect. So you don't get it exactly perfect, and if you want to go ahead and get your own blocks that are already made to make it simpler, of course you could get a cube in any material you want. I just wanted to use Dollar Tree items. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sand down the glue and just get this nice and even, and I'm going to end up painting them. Originally I wasn't going to paint them, but I think I'm going to paint them because it's just going to not look that pretty. So I'm going to be using this sander here just to file this all down, and I'm going to do that outside. I also glued together 2 of these for the days of the week and the months of the year. Now, as you see, you're gonna see a seam, but that's fine for me. If it's not fine with you, you can get different shaped wood for your project. And I used E6000. I tried wood glue and the E6000, and I just liked how it came out better. So I went ahead and I made a few extras as I did it, but I liked how it came out better. And when you are putting your blocks together, you want to make sure that they're going to fit nice, because they're irregular. They're just meant to play a game, and sometimes when you put them together, they're not as flush, so you'll want to flip them, reverse them. Just wanted to let you guys know. So now moving along, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go paint these guys. So my wood blocks are dry. You can see I added some gold around the edges of each of my blocks. I also painted, I ended up in the end deciding to paint these guys also white. And I put that gold around the edging as well. I have my pattern written down on a paper. Stick around, wait till the end, and I will have the picture of how you will need to place your numbers on the blocks to get them exactly right. So I'm gonna go get busy with putting that all together, figuring out what colors I want to use for my numbers, and then we'll basically be completed and I'll be ready to show you how this number calendar turned out. What I forgot to mention was that you have to make your 6 so that it could also be a 9. You're going to use this for 6 and 9 for your days in the month. When it's the first of the month, it will be looking like this. When it's the 31st, it would look like this, and so on and so forth, so you guys understand how the 0 is used and how the 6/9 will be used. So my calendar is completely finished, and I love how this came out, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to make your own perpetual block calendar. This is the perfect addition to any desk. Your children can do this and make it with you. You could obviously do this more simple. You don't have to glue the tumbling tower pieces together. You could just buy blocks. You could get wood. You could do a lot of different ways. This is just an idea and a concept to show you how easy it is to be creative and make your own perpetual calendar. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Please comment down below about this project and how you think it turned out. Let me know if you think you'll try this at home, and I would love pictures. You could follow me on my social media. It is all linked below in the description box. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you soon. Bye.